What can you buy for just $5 in Bali? How much food could you get for just $5? And how much does it cost to stay in one of those fancy Bali villas? Well, you are about to find out. Good morning in the morning. It's another beautiful day in Bali. Shmali. Today is one of the most beautiful days in my life. We've together, you and I and so many of us together as a community, we've just opened our first school in Bangladesh. I am, just insanely grateful. I wish, and it was actually my plan, to go to Bangladesh, but I think you are aware there are a couple of things that we can't control at the moment, like lockdowns, for example. But at some point I will go there. I just saw the first pictures and I'm like so insanely grateful for everyone here who has contributed, and so many of you did. Thank you so much. That's what I mean when I say the secret to living is giving. It's one of the most beautiful feelings that you can feel. To just know, to feel that you make someone else's life so much better. And we as a community gave so many kids the opportunity to go to school, to have food, to get proper education, to get a fair chance in life. So thank you so much. And it's one of the most beautiful days of my life, and we will build so many more schools and do so many incredible things together. I just wanted to say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. As you can tell, I'm really excited about today and about today's video. I'm gonna do a little challenge, or actually it might be a big challenge. I will try to survive on $5 today, which is around 72,000 rupiah. I have no clue how much I usually spend. I can just tell you way more than that. It might be quite interesting for you to see how much things here in Bali Shmali cost, and it's also going to be a beautiful challenge for me to see how much I usually spend. And I don't even know if I could just survive on $5 per day. I mean, I probably could. Humans are incredible adapting machines. If they have to, they will find a way. But it just feels right. My intuition told me do this video, so we're gonna do it. And I'm gonna start with my workout. I can't obviously go to my gym because like my gym membership at Body Factory is, I don't want to say expensive. I don't like the word expensive, simply because it creates this feeling of like scarcity in me. It's fairly valued, I would say. It's way more than I pay in Germany. I actually have to look up how much I pay. I think like around, the gym and spa membership is around 3 million Indonesian rupiah, which is around $200. I'm not sure. I'm gonna look it up and put it somewhere here. For most people it would be probably like, how can you spend so much on a gym membership? For me, my health is health is wealth, and my health is so important to me. And I don't care when it comes to spending money on my health. I invest so much into my health, into my well-being, into my mindset. The best investment that you can make is into yourself, into your own health. So we can't go to the gym, but we can still exercise. I will just train in our garden, or you could train at the beach, but I don't want to get sunburned. So we will do a quick little workout in the garden and have a little bit of fun. And then it's also time for food. I will fast for another 2 hours. I think it's now like 10 a.m. So I'm fasting until, I don't know, 12, and just eat as little as I can because you will see. We are so lucky that we have this wonderful, massive garden, which I will use as a gym today. I got a really good workout in. I can almost train anywhere. I could have even gone to the beach, They have like bars, you can do pull-ups and things of that nature there. But yeah, I can easily train at home, do a ton of push-ups, different varitions, and I'm good, feel a good pump. And now it's time to get some food here. Pagi.
Pagi. Apa kabar?
Baik, apa kabar?
Bagus. Jatuh. Payah.
Ya. Bagus?
Bagus.
Bagus.
Plastik?
Tidak plastik.
Tidak
Terima
plastik.
kasih banyak.
Ya. 15.000.
15.000. Terima
Kasih.
kasih banyak. Sampai jumpa.
Sampai jumpa.
And that's breakfast, 1 dragon fruit, 1 papaya. The total cost was 15K, which is around $1. So yeah, we have a lot of budget left. If you would go to a fancy vegan restaurant here in Chengdu, you would spend like 50K just for a smoothie bowl, things of that nature. So that's obviously more filling. And now it's a lunchtime. I didn't have to pay for this because Mari cooked it for me. Baby, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
What do we have here? Oh my gosh, it's so heavy. That was a candle.
We got steamed broccoli, cauliflower cooked with beetroot, that's why it's pink. Then zucchini, carrot, beetroot, crispy tofu cooked with turmeric and black pepper, and brown rice. And also behind you we have got some hummus. I don't know if that's allowed in your video. You don't have to have it. I'm happy.
Yeah. Everything that you can see here is locally grown. So super cheap. What do you think? How much did this plate cost? Maybe like 25K? Is that realistic? Brown rice. Guys, let me know in the comments. What do you think?
Brown rice like 5K.
Yeah, brown rice. You get a big portion in a varung for 5K easily. Tofu. Maybe another 10K for so much tofu.
Veggies, 10K.
You get a lot of tofu for like 5K at the market. Yeah.
For like 2K.
Yeah, you get like a massive. So 5K, 10K, the brock and the veggies.
Brock is a little more luxurious here.
Yeah, I think in total, if I say 25, that's more than fair, right?
Yeah, I think so.
What do you think?
Yeah, I have no idea, but I think so.
Just say yes, yeah?
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, yes, yeah. Thank you so much for cooking, my love. They look so delicious, nutritious, delicious. Look at this. Mari just brought me some food. It's pretty much a donation because otherwise my entire budget for the day would be gone, because I guess this was 90K. How much was it?
Yeah, that is slightly out of your daily budget.
How much was
But
it?
it's fine because it was a present from me, right?
Yeah, true. I can eat it, guys, right? Ooh, so good. It's from Ocean Cafe, which is like a vegan restaurant. But yeah, I think like 90K for this, right?
For the whole thing, and it feeds 2 people because I eat only like 1/3 and I'm like so full.
True
So
that.
it's actually like 40K per person. Stop filming me!
You're right. When I dropped off, Jigga.
I haven't washed my hair in a week. What?
What? 90K is also like the usual price if you go to a restaurant here for like a main dish and like a really 90K is maybe a lot, maybe like 70K. And obviously today I don't have to pay rent. Mari pays the rent. Thank you, Mari. You didn't know? But rent.
21st century woman, I pay for everything. Axel just lays at home.
Yeah, true that. No, you know. No. Usually I pay the rent, and the rent here is 20 million for the entire villa with stuff and this and that. Obviously that wouldn't fit into today's budget, so we just assume that we have a sugar mama who pays for everything. So today you're my sugar mama.
That's me.
That's you, standing in the middle row. You could sleep at a hostel for like $2. You could get a tiny guest house for
My sister's paying $3 million per month for her guest house.
3 million. That's like 200 bucks for a nice guest house, right?
For a really nice guest house with a beautiful kitchen, private room, private bathroom, daily cleaning.
Daily cleaning, 3 million.
Jeez.
That's yeah.
Good deal.
That's a good deal. Obviously, prices are lower during COVID, but you can live really cheaply here in Bali, but you can also spend a lot. When it comes to food and home, I don't really care about how much I spend. And Mari is about to kick my bum because I promised her to leave for a beach walk 20 minutes ago. So I better get my shit together. Mari's talking about dresses. The bike is already paid, so luckily I don't have to pay it. It's really, really cheap. I think this one is 850. It's an electric bike, really dope. Got it from Mute. That's that's an average price you pay here in Bali, like 50, from 30 to 50k. If you take it longer, then it's cheaper. This and that.
To the beach, it costs 2,000.
Yeah, to park at the beach, but then we have to support the economy. And Sugar Mommy is paying today, it's her money. And we have arrived at Batu Bolong, and a walk on the beach is luckily for free. So beautiful here. And one thing that money can't buy, this wonderful sunset. It's just so beautiful. Isn't it, Mari? Isn't it? Oh wow. I hope you enjoyed today's video. The most valuable thing here, in my opinion, that money can't buy is when you leave your house in the morning and you see Balinese people, when they say good morning, my heart just opens up. It's the friendliest good morning that you can ever imagine. Selamat pagi! And just the kindness of the people here, that's the most beautiful thing. As you know, COVID hit Bali really, really hard, and many people here lost their business. Many people here are struggling. So I'm gonna add some amazing projects, organizations that support people here in Bali. Feel free to donate, feel free to support. Thank you so much again for watching, for your support. Leave a thumbs up if you want to support the school. We obviously, I never want to stop. I want to build thousands and thousands of schools and give kids the opportunity to get proper education, food, and just a fair chance in life. If you want to support that, a link is in the bio as well. Thank you so much, and until next time, my friends.